So students, these questions are not there. 34, from 34 to 39 it is not there. Okay, leave this question. So from 40 we will do. Okay, so if you see 40 question, they have given x is to y and y is to z. You have to find x, y, z. Okay, x is to y is to z. So how should you write it? I will tell. In that same manner you have to write it. So how should you write? Which is same, you have to write that in middle. Here which is same, y is same in both. Yes, isn't it? So that you have to write in middle, one below the other. So x is 2, y is how much? 2 is to 3. So now y is in same in both, right? So y you have to write like this. Okay, so y is to how much? Z is equal to how much? That is 2 is to 1, one below the other. Y should be one below the other. Okay na? Yes. Yes. So now here shortcut is we have to multiply. How we have to multiply? These two we have to multiply. Okay, and then these two we have to multiply, and then these two we have to multiply. You will get the answer. Okay na?
Correct.
So it will be
We didn't
x.
understood that how one came.
X is to y is to z. 1 came from here, ma. Y is to z is how much? I wrote this much, this one here only, right? Yes, got it?
Sir, this 3 we should multiply.
So what you should do first? 2 into 2. What will be the answer? 2 into 2 is 2. Now 2 into 3.
4 is to 6 is to 1.
Yes, 3 is to 1. 3. So 2 into 2, 4 is 2. 2 3s are 6 is 2. 3 1s are 3. So answer will be, yes, 4 6 3 is the answer. Understand how to do? Yes, easy. So yes, so yes, we should multiply one number to another. 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 1. And then if there is simplification, you should do simplification, but there is no simplification, fine. So here that will be the answer. You have to write this properly like this. If you write it like this only, it is fine. Which is same in these two ratios, y is x is to y and y is to z, y is same. That you have to write it in middle. Which is same, you have to write it in middle. Understand? And then multiply. Got it? Okay, write it down. Yes, same. 41 is question also same. That will be homework. Okay. So next is which question now? 42. They are asking in 42. What they are asking? They are asking A and C only, like this. So you write it, right? So A is which is
multiply only 2.
Yeah. No. You have to multiply all. So here, yes, you can multiply only 2, but you will get the answer. Okay, like that also. So A is to B is how much? 1 is to 4, and B is to C is how much? Yes, 6 is to 5. So you can multiply both only, 2 only, 1 and 4, and then 4 and 5, 1 and 6 and 4 and 5, right? Yes. So what will be the answer then? A is to C. 1 into 6 is to 4 into 5. What will be the answer? 6 is to 20. 6 and 20 will come in which table? Tell me. Yes?
4.
3 table. That is 2 table, not 4. 6 and 20 will come in 2 table. So we have to divide with 2 for both. Okay. So answer will be 3 is to
10.
Yes, 3 is to 10. Got it everyone? Any doubt here?
Sir, I'm waiting. Sir, how to kill?
That is, we have to divide, because it will come in the same table, right? Yes, we have to.
Sir, you wrote 5, 4 into 5, no sir.
That
That where you wrote sir that number?
4 5 is how much?
20.
Then I wrote it below only. Yes.
Sir, 4 5 is 20 means why you took that 2?
Huh? That is, we have to divide. Simplification, you know, simplest form.
Sir,
To write in simplest form, we have to divide it, right? Isn't it?
sir, do we have to take common factor?
Common factor we have to divide. Yes. Simplest form. For that we have to divide it. Okay, na?
Sir, from that 6 by 2 and 20 by 2, I did not understand. So, how that came?
That is, I took only A and C here. Right? We have to take only A and C, isn't it? A we have to multiply, C we have to multiply. So 1 6 then 4 5 right?
1 is 6.
Hmm. So 4 5 20, right?
Yes,
Understand? Okay. So that is the answer. So simplest
Yes, sir,
form
20.
we have to divide it. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Huh?
So, when will signing application come?
No information beta. It has to come in this month. Okay? See here, that is 43 question, very easy. So we have to just
9 is to 12 is to
Ah.
20.
this y we have to bring it to this side. Okay, it is in multiplication, means if you come to this side it will divide. Here z is the rate, it is multiplication, means it comes this side, means divide. So we have to now write it in ratio. 3 by 4 means 3 is to 4 here, and 3 by 5 means 3 is to 5. Now you have to multiply. Okay, now got it? Next is 44. 44 is very easy. If A is to B is 4 is to 9, A is to C is 2 is to 3, A, B, C we have to find. Which is same here? A is same. That we have to write in the center. Okay, we have to write in the center. Don't be confused. So here A is to B is there, right? A is to B is 4 is to 9. Now B is to A will be how much? Yes, reverse. 9 is to 4.
9 is to 4.
And then second one is how much? Huh? A is to C is how much?
Sir, why did you take 2 is to 3?
2 is to 3, because which is, I told you, which is same, that we have to write in the middle. Which is same here? A is same, we have to write that in middle. Okay, na? Same term we have to write in middle. Should be in middle. Okay, understand? So that is why I took it reverse. Okay, so here now we have to multiply 9 into 2, 2 into 4, 4 into 3. So answer will be how much? 9 2 is 18, 2 4 is 8, 4 3 is 12. So 2 if you cancel, it will be 9 and 4 and 3. 9 4 3. Yes. So that is B is to A is to C. Okay, is it audible or not?
Yes, sir. It's audible, sir.
So here answer B is to A is to C will be how much now? Yes, 9 into 2 is to 2 into 4 into 4 into 3. So answer will be how much here? 9 2 is 18. So here we can cancel 2 2, right? So should I cancel 2 2? I will cancel 2 2 here. Okay, so 2 2 2 2 is a 4. I am cancelling directly. Okay, na? So here answer will be how much? 9 is to 4 is to 2 3 is a 6. Okay, na? Yes.
Sir, I did not understand why in that that A is to B, you made it as B is to A afterwards.
I told you which is same, where we have to write it. Same time we have to write it in middle. So here which is same here? A is same. that is not in middle, that is why we have to change it here. So if you change it here, we have to make it in middle. Okay now? So this is B is to A is to C. Now A is to B is to C will be how much? 4 is to 9 is to 6. Answer is option C. And then yes. So here B and A is there, right? You change it, reverse. Okay na? B and A. You reverse it, you will get the answer. Okay? Got it? 45 is not there. Okay, 46, do it as a homework. If AB is given, BC is given, you find CA. Will you do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next is 47. Leave this. It is not there. Okay. 48. Leave this. Okay. Next is 49. Huh? No, not there. 40. We did it. 43, right? We did it 44 also. What you are doing, beta? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Huh? Yes. So now we will study about proportions. What we will study? Proportions. I think we solved this type of questions, right? 51. Yes. Somewhere here. Yes, these type of question. From 14, 15 question we did it, right? Like that only. Is it visible or not? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir, it is visible. Sir, it is stuck. No, sir, but it is stuck. It was struck for a few seconds. 46 is there, sir.
43, 44 is there. So 51 now. Okay, this we see it as proportion. Proportion is with this symbol. Means two ratios are equal. Right? There is this symbol right in the middle. That. Okay na? So I told you how to do this. So 45 is to x in proportion with 9 is to 5 is there. So we should multiply the ends and what? Middle terms. That is extremes and means we say. Okay? So what we have to multiply? To multiply these two ends and the middle ones. Okay na? And find the answer. So where is x? You write that first. So x into 9 is there. X into how much?
9.
Yes? So x into 9 is there, right? So we have to multiply these two. So x into 9 is equal to how much? 45 into 5. So to find x, we have to separate it. So for that we have to take this 9 to the other side. This multiplication 9 will become how much? Divided by 9. Divided by 9. Yes. So 9 how many is? Yes? 9? 9 5s are 45. So 9 5s are 45 means answer will be how much? 5 5s are? Yes? Yes. So 4 5s are 9 5s are means 25 is the answer. Okay na? Understand how to do? Will you do it?
Yes, sir.
9 5s are. So 5 5s are is how much answer? 25. Okay? Yes. So option C is the correct one. So will you do this all homework? Yes? Huh? Okay, good. This 40, 53 is there, right? We should write it down, that's it, in the proportion. Okay? So find the value of x they are asking. When they are in proportion, we have to write it in proportion. If you write in proportion, it will be 1.5 is to 2.3. Then after that, when the first ratio ends, we have to write 2 colons. Right? 2 colons. Okay? Next, x is to how much? Yes? 4.6. Now same thing. as 52. Will you do it 52 as like that? Yes? Okay. Okay, fine. Yes, it is there. So see here, 57 is, we have to write it down like this. Okay na? Next you do these questions. Try to do. If you don't get, ask me tomorrow. This is also easy. 48, 58, right? So try to do it. Okay? So till 58 homework.
Sir, 57 is homework.
Yes, homework. Understand? Okay, do it.